As per the most recent long-haul conjecture, Chilliz cost will hit $0.2 by the center of 2025 and afterward $3 toward the finish of 2026. Chilliz will ascend to $0.4 inside the time of 2029, $0.5 in 2031 and $0.7 in 2035. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $1.8456. So the cost expanded by 67% from the very start of the year. The determined Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $32, and the year-to-year change plus 268%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see $22 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $1.42. In the last part, the cost would add $0.04 and close the year at $0.46, which is plus 216% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.46 to $1.73, which is up 59%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $0.46, then, at that point, take off to $0.48 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $0.53. That implies plus 264% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $1.73 to $1.10, which is plus 51%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $1.73, then take off to $1.77 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $81. It is about plus 456% from today. So 31520 into 4. Chilliz value forecast 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $1.18471, so the cost expanded by 69% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.41, and the year-to-year change plus 371%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 179%. In 2024, we hope to see $30 per 1 Chilliz. In the primary portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $1.48. In the final part, the cost would add $0.02 and close the year at $1.50, which is plus 240% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $0.50 to $0.77, which is up 54%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $50, then, at that point, take off to $53 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $55. That implies plus 274% from today. Chilliz expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $77 to $96, which is plus 25%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $77, then, at that point, take off to $82 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $81. It is about plus 451% from today. 3s are 1 2s into 4. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $1.2667, so the cost expanded by 92% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $0.47, and the year-to-year change plus 440%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 182%. In 2024, we hope to see $34 per 1 Chilliz. In the main portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $55. In the final part, the cost would add $03 and close the year at $58, which is plus 248% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $58 to $91, which is up 57%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $58, then, at that point, take off to $61 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $64. That implies plus 284% from today. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $91 to $115, which is plus 26%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $91, then take off to $0.97 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $0.96. It is about plus 476% from today. The 2152 Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.70. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $1.64, so the cost expanded by 22% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $23 and the year-to-year change plus 164%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 116%. In 2024, we hope to see $18 per 1 Chilliz. In the principal half of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $25. In the last part, the cost would add $1 and close the year at $26, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $26 to $46, which is up 77%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $26, then, at that point, take off to $29 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $28. That implies plus 163% from today. Chilliz forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Chilliz cost would ascend from $46 to $74, which is plus 61%. Chilliz will begin 2031 at $46, then, at that point, take off to $49 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $52. It is about plus 389% from today. So 2024. Chilliz value expectation 2024-2025. Chilliz cost began in 2024 at $0.870. Today, Chilliz exchanged at $0.05, so the cost expanded by 13% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Chilliz cost toward the finish of 2024 is $77, and the year-to-year change plus 139%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 111%. In 2024, we hope to see $25.91 per 1 Chilliz. In the main portion of 2025, the Chilliz cost will move to $22.95. In the final part, the cost would add $116 and close the year at $24.11. Which is plus 145% to the ongoing cost. Chilliz expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Chilliz cost would move from $24.11 to $40.44, which is up 68%. Chilliz will begin 2026 at $24.11, then take off to $653 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $554. That implies